Right, we have the EUROPRO Minijet 80.
Yeah.
This is the baby of the family.
Exactly, yeah, it is.
So what's the others?
We have a range that goes around 5 machines. Basically, we have the Minijet range, so Minijet 80, Minijet 120. Okay. And then we have the Jet Pro range that goes from 80 to 160. Why do we have that? The Minijet has been asked by the market in France to be a reduced machine. People want to go more and more to something small to put at the back of their van.
Yeah, more portable. I get that.
It's a machine that weighs only 50 kilograms. So
do you know what the literage is? I'm not overly focused. I've been spraying many years. I'm not overly focused on the literage output of a machine. I just know it's a hell of a lot more efficient, hell of a lot quicker, hell of a lot easier for myself. But do you know what it is on this one?
Yeah, that's a 4.5 litre per
and
minute.
So from 4.5 all the way up?
10 litres per minute.
Wow, okay, so it's quite a range.
No, yeah, of course, yeah.
So how many machines you got in total? I mean, including from the Minijet to the Project, how many machines do you reckon you've got?
We have 6 machines.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So technically, you've got the market covered when it comes to that.
Oh, of course, yeah, totally.
And do all of those 3 kind of have that unique element of being able to spray plaster and render?
Yeah.
And even the paint on most of them?
Exactly. Yeah. That's the idea that comes with this machine. It's like give it more versatility we can and give, as we said before, innovation, new solutions to the market.
And this is just the baby. So, cool.